Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to learn about the sniper entries. After completing all tasks in a monthly time frame, weekly time frame and the daily time frame, we have to look for our sniper entries in a 4-hour time frame. Now we have a long-term target, we have a possible area to enter. After that we just have to move to 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour time frame we already have a possible area to enter. Just delete it, and after that find out the structure with the help of lower high and lower lows, cause we are in a bearish direction. So with the help of trend line we know that market is forming a lower high and lower lows, as we have this valid trend line. After that we have to look for the lower highs, cause as per the long term target and the market direction and structure we are in a bearish trend. That means at the lower high we have to enter for the short trades. So where will be the lower high form? It's simple, we just have to take this fib, place it from previous lower high to lower low, then we will get this 78 area. At this level we have a supply demand zone, and this is the area where we should plan for our sniper entries. So we have to take the supply demand zone tool, just mark this area, double click on this, come to style, extend left and right. Now move this candlestick chart into line chart. In line chart we have to look for the closest means this peaks, this level, all these levels are just a confirmation, yes, that market change its direction. So we have to mark this closest as our sniper entry or entry for short. So just delete this possible area to enter and mark this with new horizontal ray and name it as a entry for short, cause our long term target is in a bearish direction. Entry for short. Again, moving back to candlesticks chart, we have complete our setup with the entries and long term target and the supply demand zone. This is how we find out our entry for short in a 4-hour time frame. This entry is also known as a sniper entry. Let's have a look for the longs. Here you can see in AUD USD we have a setup for the longs. We have possible area to enter and we have our target, long term target in a bullish direction. So we have performed this task to find out the possible area to enter in a daily time frame. To get our entries, final entries, we have to move to 4-hour time frame. Now just delete your possible area to enter, find out the area where you are looking for the longs, that is your supply demand zone. Just double click on this. This is the area where we should enter for the longs. After that we have to plan for our trend lines. We have to draw our trend line, which will give us more confirmation and clarity about the long term direction and the movement of a market. Now just double click on this, extend to left and right, convert this into the line chart and find out the maximum number of closes in a line chart. So we got the area where we have maximum number of closes. This one, this one, this one, this one and this one. These are the closes at the level where we can plan for the our long entries. So what we have now, we have our sniper entry. So just name it as entry for long, and that's it. We are done. We got our sniper entry. So after completing this task, we are ready to execute the trade. That's it. Thank you so much.